Guys, real quick, if you come over to Yescoin right now, if you go over to where it says earn, you're going to be seeing that one of the tasks right here is to actually do this to market stuff, right? So you're going to see where it says to market. So this is a free way to actually earn some more points for yourself on Yescoin as you're already working on to market, right? So just do this stuff very quickly. It's going to redirect you to market or all that stuff. For me, it not even redirects me. Just click on good. Maybe it's just checking if I actually have to market on my Telegram and all that stuff, right? So just come over here, click on it. Yescoin and Tomarket are projects I've actually talked about on this particular YouTube space, on this particular space. So if you're confused or anything like that, just go over, watch the video I've already made on it. Link down below, link down below, right, for you guys. And let's just get straight into my Tomarket app. So I'm going to show you guys step by step everything you need to do before the snapshot in the next few hours. Alright guys, so basically the number one thing as always is to come over here to wallet and of course connect your wallet right now, guys. That's the number one thing out of the three things I actually have for you guys today. So as you can see, I'm actually already connected, so I'm just going to be disconnecting to show you guys how to connect. So let me just quickly disconnect, and you can see it says connect. Now of course you're going to be downloading the bitget wallet, right? Bitget wallet, not bitget exchange. There are two different things. If you go over to Play Store right now and let me just open up my Play Store, you're going to see something quite interesting right now. So if you click on search and you search for bitget right here, bitget, you're going to see that there are two different bitgets. Now there's bitget that says buy and sell crypto. This is the bitget exchange right here. Now we don't want the bitget exchange because this one is actually a custodial one. This is the bitget wallet right here, and this one does not require you to have any verification or anything like that. It's a non-custodial wallet, just like Trust Wallet and other stuff. So you can see it's installed right now and it's already on my phone. So if I click here now, I can just click on connect. Just click on connect as usual, and it's going to load up some stuff right here, and you can see it takes me over to my bitget app. It's just taking some time to load up. Let's just wait for it. Alright guys, so as you can see, it actually loaded us up onto this particular place right here. You're just going to see where it says fingerprint payment available. Do you want to enable that feature? I'm just going to click on later. Just click on approve right here. You can see to market, connect wallet and other stuff. Just click on approve and then put your login pin, and once that is done, it's going to say connecting, and then boom, authorization for Tomarket and successful, right? You can click on stay in wallet or return to website. If you click on return to website, obviously it's going to take us to Telegram back, right? So I'm just going to click on stay in wallet, and to be sure that this actually connected, you're just going to click on this upside right here, this place that the link is showing right here. The link icon is showing. Just click on there and you're going to see that my cart is connected here, and also my Tomarket is connected here. You can see Tomarket is actually connected. So if I go over to Tomarket on Telegram right now, let's see if that actually worked out. You can see right here, it's loading up, and it says system error, please wait. Right now it has been doing this kind of glitchy stuff for some while now, but as you can see from the bitget wallet, right, it's already connected, so there's no need to worry. Don't worry and all that stuff. Okay, it's not even connected right here, so we're just gonna do that stuff. But basically this is how you connect your wallet, right? I'm just having some network issues and all, so that's the number one stuff. Connect your wallet, right? So the number two stuff right now is to add the Tomarket tomato to the back of your name, right? I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with their network, with their server or all that stuff. I don't know if it's intentional. I feel like it's kind of intentional. I don't know. But a task was actually here where it requires you to add a tomato back of your name, right? I actually already did that. It's going to be paying you over 10,000 tomatoes right there. I actually did that right now. If you see my name right now, you're going to see that I actually added a tomato emoji to my name. You can see dude then tomato, and that is a very, very simple one. It's going to be paying me some amount of tomato stars, or rather sorry, tomatoes right there for that simple task, right? That is the number two task, right? The last minute task. Just add a tomato to the back of your name, right? And once that is done, you know that you're okay with that, right? So the third and not the least, the last but not the least, is basically to fund that particular bitget account you connected, right? Let me try to connect again one more time. Let's see if it actually works for me right now. So I'm just going to click on approve and boom, then click on return to website and then just open it up. Let's see if that actually works for me. it's still having some system error, stuff like that. But anyways, it says the task was actually here as well, right? It was here. It says we should fund our wallet, our bitget wallet, with at least $1 worth of assets, right? Basically, if you have ton, if you have USDT, if you have anything, just fund your bitget wallet with at least $1 worth of that stuff, right? So I'm just going to go over to bitget right now and click on receive, or just go over to where it says wallet. You can see this ton coin, this USDT. You see manage tokens. You can search for any token right here. I'm just going to click on USDT right now, and as you can see, this is USDT on the ton network right here. I'm just going to clicking on receive, to receive some USDT right now. I'm going to be sending some USDT from another place, a third party platform, basically my Telegram wallet, right? I have about $1 right there. I'm going to copy my wallet address and send it here. You can see where it says only supports sending USDT ton access to this address, right? It ends with C7, it begins with UQ, right? So for me, so I'm just going to go over to my Telegram right now and then just come over here and go over to my wallet. Just transfer USDT the normal way, but I just want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it right now. So you can see if I click on dollars, you can see I have some 1.7 USDT. Click on external wallet. Right now it's on the ton network, so I'm going to be clicking on ton, and then I'm going to be pasting that wallet address right here, and you can see it actually comes up. Click on continue, and I'm going to be releasing 1 ton. It does not have any fees because it's on the ton network, right? I'm just going to confirm and send, and then put my password. And so with everything done, you can see that it says USDT sent, your transaction is being processed and will be completed soon. As you can see, this is the address and other stuff. Click on done, and basically that is all, right? So if I go over here, I can just refresh this particular page right now, and it should be dropping in any moment from now. But network has been really terrible and other stuff, so I don't really expect it to be dropping anytime soon in this particular video. But of course, it's all still going to work well because it's just a network issue, right? So basically, those are the 3 things I want you guys to go ahead and do right now. We don't have any time anymore. Go over to Tomarket, take it very seriously. If you press this play Tomarket and it's not opening up, I'm going to show you another solution. If you press it, it's not opening up, click on this open button right here. It's going to open up. If the 2 buttons are not opening up, click on the Tomarket app right here. Just click over on it and click on this open app, big blue button right here, and it's going to open, right? If none of those are happen to make it open up, then you're just going to clear your cache and other stuff. Right now, Tomarket is actually having a lot of traffic, like about 1 million users per day has been flooding this particular airdrop, this particular project right now, because they are going to be having their snapshot soon, and of course listing will follow. So if you like that video, please leave me a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.